Hello, I'm Stephen Scher, art historian and friend of the Bard Graduate Center. And these are two Hopi Native American Katsina dolls from my collection. White Ogre and Butterfly Maiden. The Hopi have occupied an area in northeastern Arizona for over 1,000 years, and Katsinas are an essential part of their complicated and multifaceted religion. Katsinas are spirits, not gods, and are not worshipped, but are an essential part of the religion's year, appearing in dances impersonated, both male and female, by male members of the community. The dolls are carved out of cottonwood and are given to Hopi girls to teach them the identity and meaning of the Katsinas. Afterwards, they are often hung on the walls of Hopi homes.